Hello dear students, in this video I will explain you few programs which you will make in Python programming language. The objective of this video is to make your concept clear in Python programming, which is based on simple arithmetic calculations. For example, finding out cube of any number or square of any number or average of some set of values and area of some geometrical shapes like square, triangle, etc. So let us start. First of all, open Python ideally, go to start and then find out ideally Python in your programs group. Click on it. The Python shell will be opened. Let us open a new file. The script mode will be open, and here is the first program to find out square of any entered number. So for finding a square of any number, first of all we need a number to be input by the user. So for that, this is the first instruction of the program: enter any number. It should be capital. The number value I will store in n variable. This command will help us in taking the input of a value which will be stored into the variable n. SQ is equals to, a square is actually a value which is multiplication of the same number itself. So n into n. Now we should print the output onto the output screen with the help of print command. Print square of the number is SQ. So this 4-line program will help us in finding out a square of any number which we will enter from the keyboard. Let us save the program. Save it with a proper name. I am saving it with name square.py. You know well, .py is necessary to put with any file which is created in Python. Save it. Now you know well how to run the program. Go to run menu, click on run module, or you can press F5 key. You can see program is running, asking for entering any number. So I have given the number 4. Square of the number is 16. So 4 into 4, that is 16. This is the square of 4. Once again, if you want to check a square of any other number, you can press F5 key. Now the next number is 10. Press enter. Square of the number is 100. So students, in this way very easily you can find out a square of a number by using the multiplication operator, that is the asterisk. Let us understand the next program. New file, close the previous file. To find out the average of 3 numbers. So you know well, to find out the average of 3 numbers, we add 3 numbers together and then divide it by 3, because average is equals to sum of all the values divided by number of values. So let us make the program. The first statement, the information for the user: enter any 3 numbers. Now first number will be stored into a, int input, second number I will store in b, third number I will store in c. Now after all the numbers input by the user, what to do? We will give the instruction to add them first and then divide it by 3, because there are total 3 numbers. Now average is calculated. The only work is left to print the message, a proper message, so that user can understand. The average value I have stored in d variable, so that is why I have put the variable d along with this message. Save the program. average.py. Save it and let us run it by pressing the F5 key. Enter any 3 numbers. So first number is 2, second number 3, enter, third number 4, enter. You can see average is showing 3.0. So 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, and when 9 is divided by 3, the average is 3. So this is the answer. Once again, you can execute the program with separate set of values. Now this time giving 10, 20, 30. So 10 plus 20, 30, 30 plus 30 is equal to 60, and when 60 will be divided by 3, the average will be 20. So you can see, students, very easily for different values we can find out the answers by making a single program. So in this way you can make a program of average by using the addition operators and division operators. Students, suppose if you want to find cube of any number. Cube of any number means a number multiplied itself for 3 times. So once a program we have made of a square, we can use that program for this cube operation. Close the previous program. So to find out the square of any entered number, in a square the number multiplied with itself, that is called a square, and when the number multiplied 3 times with the same number, then it is cube of that number. So I'm changing the variable names and the program title also. To find out cube of any entered number, user will enter a number. That number will be multiplied 3 times together. A value will be obtained, that is the cube value, and we have to change the messages also. That cube of the number is not as cube, this time cube. Don't forget to write the variable name as it is used previously. So here you can see small c is used in the variable name and I have written capital C. So it will prompt an error message. So better to debug it and then save the program by choosing the command save as. and give a new file name, that is cube.py. Save. Now let us run this program. F5, enter any number. I have entered 3. After then press enter. Cube of the number is 27. So 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27. So this is the cube of 3. In the same way, if you want to find out cube of any higher number, for example, you want to know the cube of 15. So enter 15, press enter. The cube of the number 15 is 3375. So in this way, students, you can find out cube of any number with a simple set of instructions written like here. Now we are going to build a program which will calculate area of shape. So first of all, open new file. I am going to calculate area of triangle. So area of triangle, to find out area of a triangle. So for finding out the area of a triangle, we required two values, that is the base value and the height value. So first of all, let us take the two inputs with this message, enter base and height of the triangle. I'll use the variable b to hold the value of base, and I'll use the variable h to hold the value of height. Now what is the formula? The formula is 1 by 2 into base into height. So the value of base and the value of height will be put into this formula, it will be solved, and the resultant value will be assigned into the variable AR. After then, you can give the print statement like this. To print your result. Area of triangle is AR. So let us save it. Area triangle. Always give a proper name to your program, so that in future if you want to use that program for any kind of concept, so you can find it easily in your library. Otherwise, if you will not give a proper name, means a name which will not reflect the program, then you will be in problem that in what file my program is there. So always give a proper suitable name of your program, as I have given area triangle. Save. Let us execute it by pressing F5 key. F5. Now you can see here, enter base and height of the triangle. So I have given 10 as the base and 15 as the height. Now area of triangle is 75. If you want to add any unit also here, 75 centimeter or 75 meters, like that, so you can place the masses like here. Just for an example, area cm. Okay, now just for an example, save it, run it, 10, 15, and now you can see the unit is also displayed along with the answer and the message. Now it is a proper information, proper output for the user. Area of triangle is 75 centimeters. Let us make another program to find out the area of a square. So hash find area of square. So print enter side of a square. Now s is equals to int we know well that area of a square is side into side, so the value of side I have taken in the variable s, so that is why s into s is stored into AR, that is the area of a square. Now at last print area of square is AR. Save the program, area square dot py. Save it. Now let us check it. Run module, enter the side of a square, 5, area of a square is 25. Let us find out the area of circle. Area of circle requires a pi in the formula. That is pi r square. So how can we make this program where pi is used in the formula? Very easy. Just see, find area of a circle. First of all, a message for the user, enter radius and enter radius value. That value I will store in R like this. Now AR is equals to pi r square, so in place of pi we can write 3.14 into R, that is pi r square. Now print with the message area of circle is AR. Save the program with the proper name, area circle dot py. Now run the module, enter the radius value 5. Now area of circle is 78.5. It is actually obtained by this formula pi r square, where we can put 3.14 or we can also write 22 by 7 into R to represent a pi. So I hope students you have understood all the programs well. After watching this video, you are able to create simple Python programs based on simple area calculations and simple arithmetic calculations.